those were whenever they're in like a turn.
Welcome to the Basic Tech channel. In this video, we will see the thrilling action of the U.S. Air Force Second Lieutenant, Madison Marsh, Miss Colorado. Second Lieutenant Madison Marsh is a graduate of the U.S. Air Force Academy and is currently pursuing her master's degree from Harvard Kennedy School through the Air Force Institute of Technology Civilian Institute program.
Yes, I'm Miss Colorado. So, trying to make it a positive thing for the Air Force, for everyone.
Madison Marsh, Miss Colorado, and an officer in the U.S. Air Force will fly in an F-16D Fighting Falcon assigned to the 422nd Test and Evaluation Squadron at Nellis Air Force Base, Nevada. Madison combined his passion for aviation with his dedication to duty. With a bright smile and infectious enthusiasm, determined to realize the spirit of flying with the thrilling F-16D Fighting Falcon. While preparing for the thrilling flight, Madison wore her flying attire, a symbol of her commitment to her country and her role as a role model. Madison Marsh, known as Miss Colorado, prepares herself for a thrilling experience, a flight in an F-16D. In a spirited atmosphere, she dons a distinctive flight uniform, adding confidence and entrepreneurship to the beauty queen.
You're going to actually sit down with us and we're going to inflate it for you, so that way you can get an idea of what it's going to feel like.
Okay.
We'll be pushing a decent amount of air through it, so that way.
In the hangar, the atmosphere was full of energy and excitement. Madison chatted with the pilots, sharing stories and laughter, making her feel more connected to the world of aviation. She also watched the planes glisten in the sunlight, ready for takeoff. Every second leading up to the flight made her heart beat faster. The F-16D, known for its speed and agility, promised an experience like no other, and Madison was eager to show off his skills and training as a pilot.
This is the hose that's coming from the jet with oxygen. Right down there.
The F-16D, known for its speed and agility, promised an experience like no other, and Madison was eager to show off his skills and training as a pilot. In terms of armament, the F-16D can carry various types of missiles, bombs, and other weapon systems, making it flexible in a variety of military operations. With its aerodynamic design and great maneuverability, the F-16D has become one of the most successful combat aircraft and is used by many countries around the world. Second Lieutenant Madison Marsh, with her background in aerospace engineering and strong belief in empowering young women in STEM fields, Madison hopes to inspire others to pursue their dreams. This flight is not just a personal milestone, it is an opportunity to highlight the incredible opportunities available in the military and aviation sectors. As the engines roared and the plane rolled down the runway, Madison's heart pounded with excitement. It's more than just a flight. It's a testament to his journey and the endless possibilities that lie ahead of him. In addition, Madison felt a mixture of excitement and a little bit of tension. With the headset on and the seatbelt tightened, she was ready to fly into the sky, exploring the beauty of the world from above. In Madison's mind, this was not just a flight, but also an adventure that would be an unforgettable memory in her life. Whether flying above the clouds or interacting with society, Second Lieutenant Madison Marsh is poised to make a mark as a leader in space and beyond. Thanks for joining us. See you in the next video.